Chandrayaan-3 was meant to be a triumph, India's return to the moon after the failed 2019 attempt. This time, the Vikram lander touched down flawlessly near the lunar South Pole, a region cloaked in eternal shadow, colder than Pluto, untouched until now. Scientists expected ice, minerals, metals. And they found them. But what came next changed everything. As the Pragyan rover scanned the soil, its spectrometers picked up something no database could identify. A material that absorbed light and bent radiation in unpredictable ways, acting like a sponge for energy. Not a mineral, not anything natural. If it formed by chance, our physics is wrong. If it didn't, someone, or something, put it there. Ground-penetrating radar deepened the mystery. Beneath the surface lay a vast hollow void, not random caves but geometric formations, straight lines, repeating grids, structures big enough to house a city. Dr. Michio Kaku called it deliberate, metallic, and ancient. Then came the heat signatures, pulsing without solar input. The moon, geologically dead for billions of years, showing signs of energy. Soon after, Pragyan malfunctioned. It glitched, veered off course, then went silent altogether. Officials blamed mechanics. Insiders whispered interference, the rover failing exactly over the deepest part of the anomaly. Hours before contact was lost, American satellites detected an unexplained electromagnetic burst from the site. This was no routine failure. Other nations quietly joined the hunt. NASA, ESA, and China redirected high-resolution satellites. Leaked reports suggested the mysterious substance could bend or cancel electromagnetic fields, like optical dark matter, a material capable of cloaking structures from detection. If real, it wasn't geology. It was technology. Then came the strangest twist. Archaeologists compared the radar geometries to ancient Indian star maps. The underground grid resembled mandalas described in the Rigveda, symbols of a gate beyond the dark sky. Coincidence? Or a message linking past knowledge to the moon's hidden structures? What Chandrayaan-3 uncovered may not be natural at all. It may be ancient technology, dormant or still active. A vessel buried beneath the ice. A base built by hands not our own. Or perhaps a system designed to remain hidden until we advanced enough to find it. And now, silence. The rover is gone. Instruments are dark. But the implications are not. If the moon's south pole was avoided for eons, maybe it was for a reason. Maybe Pragyan touched something that was never meant to be disturbed. As Dr. Kaku warned, there are things buried in this universe we were never meant to touch. And now, we may have touched one. So the question is no longer whether India succeeded. The question is, what has truly awakened beneath the shadows of the moon? What if the moon is not just a silent rock but a container, a vault holding secrets older than history itself? The discovery at the South Pole suggests we may have uncovered not simply a material, but a message written in matter and geometry. A message designed to survive eons, waiting for the moment a civilization advanced enough could read it. Consider this. The strange void beneath the surface is not random. It aligns almost perfectly with lunar rotational axes, as though engineered for stability over billions of years. The mysterious material, absorbing light and bending radiation, could be more than a shield. It may have been crafted as camouflage, hiding the structure from telescopes until our technology became sharp enough to pierce it. In that sense, Chandrayaan-3 may not have stumbled on an accident, but exactly what it was meant to find. Some theorists now whisper of an ancient warning system. A mechanism that remains dormant until triggered by exploration. Pragyan's erratic behavior might not have been failure, it could have been interference, a response, perhaps even a defense protocol. The electromagnetic burst detected before its silence may not have been noise at all, but a signal. If so, who, or what, was meant to receive it? Across the world, governments are treating the anomaly not as science but as security. Encrypted meetings, redirected satellites, and containment strategies suggest they fear more than discovery. They fear awakening. Because if this is technology, it means intelligence has been here before us. And if it is still active, then intelligence may still be here. The moon has always watched us. Poets, mystics, and ancient civilizations all spoke of it as more than a rock. What if they were right? What if beneath its frozen craters lies not myth, but memory, not poetry, but proof? Chandrayaan-3 was supposed to be a step toward colonization. Instead, it may have uncovered evidence that the moon was never empty. That it was claimed long before we